Hello and welcome. I am Dr. Vetria Byrd and I do data visualization. I am a computer scientist and biomedical engineer by training and a data visualization scientist by experience. I am an assistant professor and the director of the Byrd Data Visualization Lab at Purdue University in the Department of Computer Graphics Technology, where I do research in and on how and what to teach to diverse audiences interested in data visualization. I am interested in all types of data, which include data that utilizes high-performance computing. One of my current projects includes the utilization of data visualization to advance the science in the area of symptom cluster management in healthcare. You might be asking yourself, what is data visualization? Let's start with the purpose of visualization to better understand what data visualization is. This is one of my favorite slides. The purpose of visualization is insight, not pictures. The pictures, in my opinion, are the icing on the cake. It's actually understanding the data behind the visualization, that is the most interesting part. Insight is gaining understanding that enables you to explain complex information, analyze data, make discoveries, inform decision-making, and last but not least, tell a story, because that's what data visualization is storytelling in a visual way. Data visualization is a process of transforming raw, oftentimes complex data into visual representations of what helps to make more sense of the data. In this example, we see the small subset of data on your left, once visualized on your right, reveals a very interesting visualization of a space shuttle, rocket boosters, and wind flow patterns, which is way more cooler than looking at numbers, in my opinion. The content in this slide was created using an open source application called Purdue. This is an example of what you can do with data visualization. You are only limited by your imagination. Everyone has data, but not everyone knows how to make sense of data. So, what problems are you interested in solving? Are you interested in solving GIS-related problems, or maybe biological problems? You're interested in biological data. Whatever your interests are, data visualization can help you solve discipline-specific problems. Believe it or not, there is even data visualization in gaming. So I highly recommend that you find something that you love and love what you do, because this will help you to see the value in what you do and in data visualization. This concludes my introduction and overview of data visualization. If you would like to know more about data visualization, check out my Superhero of Science video at the YouTube link provided above. Thank you for your time. I look forward to meeting you, perhaps at a conference in the future.